How to set quick share, nearby sharing to no one, contacts only, or everyone on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on connected devices. Then at the top here, tap on quick share. Next we go down and then in the nearby sharing, tap on who can share with you. From the pop-up menu, you can select no one, or you can select contacts only or everyone. Now for everyone, you can choose to turn it on only for 10 minutes, or you can switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the done button. Once that is turned on, then other people should be able to share it with you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.